Last but not least, as we close off our series of tips on successfully onboarding new team members, we will talk about making use of video. The best way to connect with virtual employees is through video. On our last session, we talked about sending your new employees welcome kits to give them a feel of your company culture and adding a personal touch to it. This week, we are talking about the role video plays in the process of a virtual onboarding session. No matter how formal or informal a call is, using video for every single call or training is critical. This is such an essential step to building relationships and connections with colleagues. Using video can also improve engagement during calls and help managers or trainers pick up on nonverbal cues, for example, facial expressions and body language, which is vital throughout training and gauging comprehension. You could also video to connect your new staff to the rest of the team. Encourage team members, individuals who they will work directly with and others who they want, to reach out to the new hire, say hello, and welcome them to the company within their first week. This could be through a quick video call. Stay tuned. We have more of these insightful tips, including active listening, engagement, retaining staff, and more.